Hi, I'm Shayla with Revolting Science Resources, a company designed to bring the principles of project management to academic scientists. Today's video is part of a series related to one of my products, the RSR Lab Notion template. This template is designed for PIs and lab managers to help organize and streamline all the different components that go into managing a lab. And the best part is that all this information gets to stay in one place. If you'd like to learn more about this template, I'll put a link in the description box below and that will take you to a page of my website where you can get more information. The RSR Lab Notion template has many different project management principles that I wove into the design of the template, and this video is going to walk through one of them. So with that, let's get started.
In this video, I'll walk you through how different components discussed in the previous videos for this section, including project phases, the project plan, Scrum for Scientists framework, sprint reviews, change request boards, kickoff meetings, and archive parties are all connected. First, you'll come up with a general project idea or direction and then determine who the responsible lab member or lab members will be for this project. Next, you'll create a project plan, which details the vision for your project, goals, roles and responsibilities of contributing lab members, among other things. If you'd like a refresher on the information included in a project plan, rewatch the project plan video. Once the project plan is complete, you then have a kickoff meeting where you share your project plan with others, obtain formal approval from your PI, and decide on the experiments you plan to conduct during your first sprint. Next, you follow the Scrum for Scientists framework, working through your experiment backlog towards completing all of the milestones or aims for your project. During your sprint, weekly updates are shared with your principal investigator or other accountable lab members. After the sprint, the responsible lab member first ensures all documentation and information related to the project are added or updated in the appropriate long-term storage location. Then the responsible lab member will give a sprint review presentation to share what they completed during their sprint, what troubles they ran into, and what they're considering doing for the next sprint. Following that presentation, all responsible and accountable lab members discuss takeaways from that meeting and any new items on the change request board or any other necessary changes needed for the project. Then the finalized tasks to be completed during the next sprint are decided. This cycle repeats until all major milestones or project aims are achieved. If at any point the project does not seem worth continuing toward the initially desired outcome, the project can be terminated. If there's a publication associated with the project, you can then move into the ending phase, where you work on writing and submitting work for this project to various journals and undergoing the revision process until the paper is accepted and published. Once the paper is published, you can hold an archive party. During this party, you ensure all information and documentation related to the project is correct and updated in the storage location for your lab. You then formally archive the project and celebrate the success of each contributing lab member with a small party. That's it for this series, walking you through some key information related to the current setup of your RSR Lab Notion template. In the next video, we'll walk you through the research pages of your template.
So that's it for this video, sharing more about the project management principles that I've integrated into the RSR Lab Notion template. If you want to learn more about this template or other resources I would recommend, just check the links in the description box below. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. How do you imagine using this project management principle in your academic research? If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.